Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to cook a lovely rack of pork ribs. Now we're going to cook them using the 3-2-1 method, whereby we cook the ribs for 3 hours uncovered on the big green egg at 100 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 hours wrapped in tin foil with some apple juice, and then finally 1 hour wrapped in tin foil but with barbecue sauce over the top. Now, before we stick these in the big green egg, we're going to do 2 things. One, their seasoning. Their seasoning consists of salt, black pepper, garlic, and also a little bit of a spice bag mix as well. And then the next step then is to remove the membrane from our pork ribs. Now you don't want this membrane there because it doesn't taste good. So let's jump in and remove this membrane. Right guys, let's remove this membrane from our ribs. So with a sharp knife with a good point, put it under your ribs, and just turn them right. Put it under your ribs where the bone connects. It's like a plastic consistency. Right guys, we have our seasoning, we've our membrane removed. Now let's coat these liberally. Now rub this in guys, because you want that brown sugar to stick to your ribs and all that goodness. Both sides. Now we're going to let this sit for at least 30 minutes so it can absorb all those nice seasonings. Right guys, we're halfway through, we're 3 hours in. Now we're going to put our pork ribs onto our tin foil, apple juice all the way around, don't put it on the top. Right guys, we've added our apple juice, we're now going to cover it over, wrap it up and put it back onto our heat. Ready to go. In for the next 2 hours. Guys, how good does that look? If you liked what you saw today, please hit that like button, subscribe and that notification button.